Rownd derfynol, cwpan Nathaniel MG. A dwi'n feddwl mai OMG fydd hi, os fydd unrhyw un ar wahân i'r Seintiau Newydd yn cipio hon. Gic gornel gynta'r gêm, brobl i'w chymryd i. A mae'n mynd am yr un bella at y postyn pella oddi ar y llinell. A Lam yn y diwedd ni chlirio.
A ti'n gwybod be? Na i fi ddeud un peth am y Llimanwr fan hyn, mae o'n sefyll reit yn y gornel, mewn llinell syth at llinell y gol, ac oedd o'n sicr ddim yn mynd i symud i Lliman, felly ddim wedi mynd dros y llinell.
Mullen yn glir, nawr te sawl opsiwn hefo gadw i ben Mullen. I bwy mae'n mynd i dynnu nôl! Ond mi oedd Darlington ar y postyn pella, o gynnu fo ormod o opsiynau, gormod.
Wel oedd, a Darlington ar y postyn pella oedd y gosa. Ond o'n i mos o wedi tynnu on yn ôl. Mae'n mynd y draws y cwrt chwech. Does am byd yn anghywir o fwy'n cofio. Cos mae'n mynd am y postyn pella. Ac eto, y corridor ansicrwydd na. Dyn nhw'n cymryd mantais o siar yn y gêm ar y funud.
Oedd hi ddim yn bel wael.
Na, coetad.
Gic di chymryd yn sydyn iawn. A mae hynny'n peri bob math o broblemau i Met Caerdydd. Mae'n cael ei chlirio, dim ond hanner i chlirio. Cyfrero'r bel mewn eto. Rawlinson!
Ti'n just disgwyl mater o amser, dod, a mae rhaid nhw ofyn yr unig cwestiwn na, mae rhaid nhw dal i gredu bod nhw'n mynd i sgorio.
Joel Edwards. Edwards allan at McCarthy, ond mae McCarthy wedi cholli Mullen o'i flaen, ond mae Darlington, sbiwch mor gyflym di Mullen. Mae Aaron Edwards yn symud fyny hefyd. Fe o'na Darlington! Tynnu nôl, Aaron Edwards! Ac i fod yn deg, mi ddoth y chwaraewr ganol cae Josh Barnett ar draws i wneud pethau'n anodd, ond sawl cyfle mae'r Saint Eisio.
Wel, ti'n hollol iawn, ac a fysa Aaron o gornol i lygad wedi gweld y dyn mae'n dod ar y llawr, rheoli'r bel a wedyn rhoi yn y gol.
Rhys, pethau da gan Rhys. Mae Spencer yn y canol, os ar Evans i ganmol o Spencer! Mae'n cam sefyll! Mae'n cam sefyll! Mae'n cam sefyll! Fe gododd y Lliman yn union syth. A dyna be fydde gol yn erbyn. Hediad y chwarae di bod yng ngwir ystyr y gair. Martin Roberts di'r dyfarnwr cynorthwyol. Fo sy'n torri calonau Met.
Mae mor agos, coeliwch i fi.
Aaron Edwards oedd yn ôl yn clirio honna. O Will Evans di tharoi, mae'n taro yn erbyn to'r hwyd efo gwiriad oddi ar Rawlinson.
Ie, dwi'n meddwl oedd Harrison tu ôl i ni, ond oedd o'n gorfod reid i law iddi oherwydd y gwiriad yma. Mae'n ergyd ar y gol yn sicr, y gwiriad sydyn just yn hedfan drost y gol.
Mullen, dwi'n cael cyfle eto. Baker oedd yn ôl yn clirio honna. Ond mae'r wasgfan dal yno, Mullen. Nôl at Spender, Spender i thynnu nôl! A sut nath Aaron Edwards ddoi honna dros y bar? Fasa'n haws o lawer i chadw i dan y bar dybia i.
Wel, ti sôn am pedair llath allan mae yn y cwrt chwech. Mae'r croesiad yn un berffaith, a rwan yr unig beth efo ni wedi cadw ben drosti.
Rheolwr Met Caerdydd, un cap gan y rheolwr Christian Edwards. Ac fe ddoth y cap yna fel eilydd yn lle Chris Coleman. Y bel at Mullen. Mullen yn derbyn gan Darlington! A Mullen yn y diwedd yn gwneud ei go'r hwyd chwyddo.
Ie, na ni weld y symudiad yn fan hyn unwaith eto. Ti'n gwybod, mae bas yna, yr un slick, yr un bach gan Darlington, i lwybr Mullen yn un edrych am faint o gyffyrddus di o i wneud hyn. Ys yn un bach, y pwysau perffaith iddo fo gymryd i, dim oedi yn ei rediad, a wedyn fo'n codi ben, a fo'n gwybod, mae rong o rydyn yn mynd ar draws y golwr, mae'n rhaid i godi hon, a codi hi nath o i'r postyn cynta, uwch ben y golwr, campus o gol, a dyna beth sydd wedi bod ar goll.
Aaron Edwards, fe rhyw loen byw bach yn dawnsio heibio. Brobl ardderchog. Darlington! Postyn yn achub Met.
Wel, ti'n gwybod be, o'na 5 chwaraewr y Seintiau Newydd yn Cwrs Cosby. Mae Darlington gwybod mae rai fo sgorio. Mae'r foli, mae'r pen drosodd, mae'n cadw i lawr, a mae o'n taro'r beans and toast.
Aaron Edwards. Brobl tu allan iddo fo. Cyfle i edrych er gydio.
Oeddech chi'n gwybod ydych? Pan nath agor siap i gorff, oeddech chi'n gwybod bod yn mynd i grymanu hwnna i'r gornel bella, a deitha'r golwr yn da. Fuller dos ar ôl hon, oherwydd os di hwnna'n y gornel ti ddim yn ei chael i, a mod feddi heibio'r postyn.
Spender, Ebe, Mullen. Nôl at Spender, Ebe eto. Mae wedi bwydo Mullen. Mae Mullen a Aaron Edwards tu fewn os ei angen o. Neu di am fynd i hun. Mullen!
Ti'n gwybod be? Mae o... Yr holl rhediad yna, mae o mewn dau feddwl. Be dwi'n neud? Dwi'n mynd am yn hyn, na ddisgwyl i Aaron symud, a nath o'n y diwedd wneud y penderfyniad anghywir.
Am y 4ydd flwyddyn yn olynol. Enillwyr Cwpa Nathaniel MG 2017, 2018 ydy y Seintiau Newydd.
Did you wonder at any point whether that goal was going to come?
They're so organised. You know, they're similar, very similar to style of us, how they play, but defensively they've got a great team ethic, and that's how they've done so well this season. So I was just hoping that one would go in first half, and it didn't. But second half, we've done enough, and it was very good.
First piece of silverware for you, as I say, but a crucial period now in moving forward, in that you've got 2 more cups, and obviously the end of the season coming up as well during the second half.
This is the start. This is the start of it. Obviously, this is the first one. It's good to get. Obviously, I've won previously as a player, but as a manager, it's a little bit different. You want to get that first one. We're doing okay in the league. We've got the Iron Brew and the Welsh Cup. We're doing okay on all fronts, but it's only sort of halfway.
Well, Scott, many congratulations. Llongyfarchiadau mawr.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Dyna beth da ni'n chwarae am i ennill cwpanau, a nath ni just cael yna yn y diwedd, ond nath ni chwarae yna, cadw bel a credu ti Met, nath nhw rhoi gêm na i ni heddi.
Faint o her oedd i allan ar y cae yna?
Ie, yna lot o gwaith fyny top, ond nath ni chwarae yna, ni'n heiddi dros ben.
Jamie, nice to get that first piece of silverware in the cabinet, I'm sure. Only goal of the game, and it was a nice one when it went in as well.
Yeah, I think, to be honest, I think we're a bit wasteful today, especially myself. I think we could have had quite a few. But yeah, I was happy to see it go in. I mean, I just put my head down and hit it, and luckily it went in.
I mean, it did take over an hour to break them down. Were you concerned at all that they weren't going to come, those goals?
Not really, I know, because, I mean, like we were saying at half-time, the gaffer just said to us, keep creating chances, and we knew we will always create chances, so in the end we knew we would get a goal.
We had a game plan, they had a game plan, and we were a bit edgy for the first 15-20 minutes. I thought we grew into the game, and towards the end we were right on the front foot, but just not to be for us today, unfortunately.
Are you disappointed that you couldn't make a bit more of your goal scoring opportunities?
Yeah, naturally, but you know, the boys who I felt played up top today did really well. We scored, there's one at disallowed. I think we've had a corner where it's ricocheted in the box, but that's happened. You know, you're playing against a very good outfit, and I felt we did as best as we could today, and I'm very proud of how the players played.
Joel, how tough was it out there today?
Very tough, yeah. They're a good outfit, so it's hard work, but I thought the boys done all right. Just caught us once or twice to the line, but yeah, it is what it is.
And of course, it's always going to be difficult as well when you've got players missing as well.
Yeah, definitely. But I mean, they've got good depth in the squad, so I don't think that affected us too much. But obviously, your fullest, strongest team will help. So yeah.
And as a player, what experience do you think you can take from today?
Lots of experience, definitely. Yeah. I mean, a cup final, you just kind of got, if you lose, especially, just move on from it. So we'll go back to work Monday and focus on the league now.